Hello, little friends. Let's play a game. Can you guess who I am? I have four big wheels. I'm bright and yellow, and I say, toot toot, time for school. Who am I? School bus. That's right, a school bus takes children to school every day. Beep beep. Let's go. Zoom zoom, I fly up in the sky. I have whirly wings, and I go. Whir whir whir, can you guess what I am? Helicopter. Yay, a helicopter can fly up, down, and all around. It helps people who need help fast. I have two wheels, a bell that goes ring ring. And you push the pedals with your feet. I'm fun to ride outside. Who could I be? Bicycle. Yes, a bicycle is a fun ride. It helps you go to the park or ride with friends. Splish splash, I sail on the water with my big sail. And the wind helps me move. Can you guess my name? Sailboat. Correct, a sailboat floats on the water and uses the wind to go. Let's go sailing. Vroom vroom, I have four wheels and I drive on the road. I'm not too big, not too small, just right for a family. Who am I? Car? Yes, a car takes people to the store, to grandma's, or on a road trip. Nay nah, I go super fast when there's fire. I'm big and red, with a loud siren and a long ladder. Who am I, friends? Fire truck. Yes, a fire truck helps firefighters put out fires and keep everyone safe. Zooming in the sky, so high and far, I have wings and go whoosh. I carry people from one place to another. Who could I be? Airplane. That's right, an airplane flies in the sky and takes us on trips far away. Listen closely, woo-woo, I'm black and white. I help catch the bad guys and keep the streets safe. Guess who I am? Police car. Yay, a police car helps officers drive fast to help people and keep us safe. Splish, splash, speed, I'm fast on water, I go VRRRRRR. And leave bubbles behind me, I'm not slow like a boat. I'm speedy, what's my name? Speedboat. Yes, a speedboat zooms across the water super fast. Hold on tight. Pick me, I'm yellow, I stop when you wave. And I take you where you want to go in the city, beep beep, who am I? Taxi. Correct, a taxi takes people places when they don't have a car. Just hop in. I'm super big and strong. I carry lots and lots of things, like boxes and food. I rumble down the road, guess me. Truck. Yes, a truck helps move heavy things from one place to another. It's a helper on wheels. Vroom vroom, I go super fast on the racetrack. I have bright colors and make loud sounds. Zoom, whoosh, who am I? Race car? Yes, a race car is made to go super duper fast. Ready, set, go. Choo choo, I have many connected cars. I ride on rails and I love to carry people or animals. Can you guess who I am? Train. That's right, a train rolls on tracks and takes passengers to faraway places. I'm big and blue, I float on the sea. I carry people and even cars with me. I go hoonk. Do you know my name? Ferry boat. Yes, a ferry boat moves on water and takes people across rivers or oceans. I'm fun and small with 3 wheels. I take tourists around town and ring my bell, ding ding. Who am I? Tuk tuk. Correct. A tuk-tuk is a little ride found in busy cities. Let's go for a ride. I'm red and boxy. I help families go out. I can carry lots of bags and go up the hill. No problem. What's my name? SUV. Yes, an SUV is a strong car that can carry many people and bags too. Narrator Halis Dan Mangayun row row row. I float on water so calm and slow. I don't have a motor. You use paddles to go. Who's gliding on the water? Canoe. That's right, a canoe is a small boat that moves when you row it with your arms.